Hello everybody! In today's video, I'll be solving a theoretical probability question from the IB 2023 exam, which also involves expected value. Let's dive into how to approach and solve this type of problem. The first part of the question asks us to find the probability of a visitor riding the dragon. To solve this, we'll use the data provided in the table. X represents the number of times a visitor rides the dragon, and frequency represents the number of people. We'll calculate the probability based on this information. Probability is calculated by taking the number of people who rode the dragon and dividing it by the total population of 40. In this case, 6 people did not ride the dragon, so we subtract 6 from the total population, leaving us with 34 people. We then divide this by the total population to get the probability. The second part of the question asks us to find the expected value. In IB exams, this type of question often comes up. We've already calculated one of the probability, and now we'll use them to find the expected value. To do this, we multiply each random variable by its probability and then sum the results. Next, we'll replace each random variable and its corresponding probability using the data from the table. After that, we simply add them all up to get the total expected value. From the calculation, we get an expected value of 1.5. This means that, on average, if one person comes to the park, they tend to ride the dragon 1.5 times. For Part B, we need to refer back to the answer from Part A, as well as the explanation provided above it. Without using this information, we won't have the necessary tools to solve Part B effectively. According to the expected value, each person tends to ride the dragon 1.5 times. Using a direct proportion, we can calculate that if 1,000 people visit the park, they will ride the dragon 1,500 times. Given that the maximum capacity of the dragon is 10 people, this means the dragon will need to run at least 150 times on Tuesday. Thank you very much for watching my channel. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. At the end of this video, there's also a mark scheme that you can benefit from, so be sure to check it out.